guess what they think we might do next in the writing process to our persuasive speeches. Meredith? Revise. Today we're going to be working on revising. I'd like you to turn to someone sitting next to you, someone at your desk, and talk for just 1 minute about what it means to revise.
It means to put out words and put out That's revised.
Look at the process. Which one is cups? Edit.
Okay, my turn. 3, 2, 1. Someone from Gigi's table. Dugan, what did you talk about?
You just have nothing.
Do you have a mouthful? I won't ask you why you have a mouthful. Ethan. Everybody give your attention to Ethan. Is that what we do in revising? Or do we check spelling in editing, right? We use cups for editing, right? So what do? Dugan? We get rid of worn out words. What are worn out words, Julia? Words that you use a lot that get kind of boring, right? What else might you do during the revising?
Kayla, why don't you guys go get some water, okay?
Rebecca?
Maybe make things better.
Make things better how? What might you add to make something better? I think you and Kayla were talking about it.
Yeah. You can you said Roland Park should have a car wash. You might say Roland Park should have a car wash.
So using different words to make something sound better? Kevin, what do you think? Is that in revising or is that editing? Where does cups come? Editing, right? Someone said the one thing that I'm talking about. Sharp?
Trying to make your story better.
How are you making it better? Putting new words. So what might that be? Adding, Meredith?
Detail.
Adding details. That's what I was looking for. And this paragraph is different to some of the other paragraphs we've written before because we're trying to make it very convincing. What does it mean for something to be convincing or persuasive? Darren?
Oh, it's like you say do what somebody really makes your idea. It also gives people jobs, but at the end, or would say it also gives you lots of money, so it's convincing that you get lots of money, so you do that idea.
So you want someone to believe in your idea. You want someone to agree with your idea, right? So if I'm going to look today, what we're going to look at, 1, we're going to put away worn out words. And where can we find those worn out words? Who haven't we heard from? Liam? Some things to change our worn out words to? Is there somewhere in the room we can look?
We can look next to the whiteboard.
Yeah. Right over here, right? And our put away worn out words poster. And what else? We're going to then add details to our sentences. persuade people, we're going to make sure we have a really strong closing sentence that's very convincing. Okay? Let's read my draft together. Everybody eyes up here. Roland Park needs a car wash. There is no car wash in Roland Park. This business would give jobs to people in our community. People will not have to drive very far to get their car washed. This is very important for Roland Park. Let me think, where could I add some more detail to a sentence? Does anyone have any ideas where I could add some more detail? Zoe?
Well, I just wanted to tell you that you need a trainer that's going to
That's okay, I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to try to add details and put away worn out words. Rebecca?
When you say this is very important, you should say why it's very important.
At the end? This is very important for Roland Park for many reasons.
Yeah. Maybe.
Do you have something better?
That it will keep your car in good shape.
This is very important for Roland Park because it'll keep, my reasons aren't all about keeping my car in good shape, right?
No.
I have lots of different reasons.
Because that sentence is at the end, right, Rebecca?
So that's my closing sentence,
But
right?
but I really like the detail that you thought of, so maybe we could put that as an extra detail sentence in the body of the paragraph. Do you think that would be a better place for it?
Okay.
So what do we think? Before our closing sentence, maybe we should say, this business would keep your car in good shape.
Oh.
How about I add it right here? Where I can add a detail in a sentence that already exists. Beth, what do you think? Is there anywhere I can add a detail to a sentence that already exists? Yes, you? What do you think? What could I add?
When you drive close by, when you don't have to drive far, do you ever hear your parents say that it saves them on anything when they don't have to drive far?
Oh, yeah. So people will not have to drive very far to get their car washed, which will save them gas.
Now, I don't know about the other adults in the room, but I'm always looking to save money on gas in my car because it's pretty expensive. So that would convince me. That's a good detail that would convince me.
Okay, so I added a detail. Are there any worn out words you could see in my paragraph? Ethan. What's a word I could replace with a better word? Think about it. I'll come back to you. Who's someone we haven't heard from yet today?
Darren. Oh, I know.
Nora, do you have any ideas? No?
I got one.
Ethan, I'm not going to call on you if you're calling out. Alex? Where do you see some words that I could replace for a better word? What are my worn out words? Which word? Car?
Because like vehicle.
You know, Kevin and I were talking about the car word too, but Kevin, what did you say? It's not just car. What does she say twice in a row?
Car wash.
Place to
one because it goes twice in a row. So what could I replace car wash with? Should I say there is no place in Roland Park to wash your car, or does that use the same words again? Does that sound good to everyone?
Yeah.
Sound better? What other words might I want to change? Ethan, did you think of it?
Roland Park.
Roland Park?
Elementary school.
What could I replace it with? Are you looking here?
I think that's a good idea. What could you say instead, Ethan?
This community?
Oh, boy. Boys and girls, did you hear Ethan's idea?
Yeah.
Instead of saying Roland Park twice, he said the second one should be crossed out and it should say in our community or this community. I really like that.
Ethan, this or our community? Which one?
Is this?
This community?
Boy, Miss Colette, your second sentence is almost totally restructured there.
It is. We did some good revising. And the last thing we're going to look at
Only 3 words. Anything.
is a strong closing sentence. Who can read my final sentence?
As soon as she starts teaching.
Ben?
People will not have to drive.
We're right here.
This is very important for Roland Park.
Is this a strong closing sentence?
Yeah.
Does it kind of conclude my paragraph saying, we need this. This is, right? This is important. Does anyone feel like I might want to change something about it? Owen? Darren?
I had another detail.
We're not going to do any more details right now. Just for my final sentence. Does it seem like a strong sentence?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. What I want you to do when you do your draft is I want you to put away worn out words in 2 places. Okay? I want you to add details to 1 sentence and check that you have a strong closing sentence. Where can you go if you want to see where you can find some new words for your worn out words? Julia? At the board over there? Yeah. And how many times are you going to change worn out words, Gigi? How many times are you going to put away worn out words? And how many times are you going to add details? Char? 1. And what's the last thing you're going to check? Kayla? What's the last thing you're going to check about your paragraph?